Hello and welcome back to our channel everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about how we can add our WhatsApp link to our Instagram profile. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video, the step-by-step tutorial, and make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. So open up the Instagram application on your device. You can directly open it up and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can go over and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on your profile like this, you should be finding your profile. So the next step you need to do is you need to go ahead and tap on the option called Edit Profile on your profile and tap on it. Once you find this option right here, this step we need to go ahead and use in order to add WhatsApp link is we need to find this option called Add Link right under our bio. So you can find it up and tap on it. And when you tap on it, we'll be given an option to add an external link, indirectly an option for adding a WhatsApp link. We can select the option for adding a WhatsApp link and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you just need to go ahead and enter up your WhatsApp number that is used in order to create your WhatsApp account. So you can select your country code from where you belong. And once you find it up, you can select it. And here in this phone number section, type in the phone number that you used in order to create your account. So just go ahead and type it in and tap on done once that is done. And then once you've added it, you can just head back to your profile, main profile. And when you go over here, you'll be finding the WhatsApp link available right under your bio on your profile. Now, the other people will be able to see the WhatsApp link on your Instagram profile, allowing others to easily start a chat with you on WhatsApp. And that's it. So if you'd also like to add WhatsApp link to your Instagram profile, these are the simple steps you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.